Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's that's really wonderful. I am Bilal. I am an alim. I have done my alimiyat from Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi in Karnataka. I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul Uloom and I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My brothers and respected teacher, today I will talk to you on the topic of the value of time. Time is very important in our life. Absolutely nothing more important than time. No money, no bikes, no car, no gold, no diamonds, no anything. Because past time is never come back. Time is key to unlock the door of our success. Student ones listen carefully. In student life, we must use our time very carefully. The right use of the time can create a great future. People who success in life understand the value of time very well. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says there are two blessings in which mostly people are great loss: free time and good health. Time is very important part of our life. That is why he says, don't today's work for tomorrow. And time keeps moving without stopping, and nobody's care. So it's our responsibility to keep up with the time. If we don't keep up with the time, if we don't move with the time, so we will be left behind. Because time not waits for no one. So my brother, we should use our time carefully, and we make our time valuable. So I would like to thank for everyone to listening me. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.